In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your FanDuel account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up FanDuel like you normally would. Then please go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says account. Of course, this is under the assumption that you already created an account with FanDuel and that you already installed the application. Okay, now once you're over here, it's going to show you your balance. And then there is going to be a button that says deposit right underneath it, just like that. And you just want to go ahead and press on it. Now, if it's your first time ever depositing money onto FanDuel, it's actually going to make you verify your account. And to verify your account, you're going to need to enter your phone number and, of course, your social security number just to make sure that it is 100% you who's actually trying to make the transactions and stuff like that. But anyways, afterwards, it is going to go ahead and actually bring you to a page that looks like this once you've verified your account, which thankfully they make it pretty easy and it only takes around maybe 5 minutes to verify. So that is a good thing. Anyways, here are all the different methods of payment that we're able to use in order to deposit funds. We have online banking, a debit card, Venmo, PayPal. We also have cash at counter. We have wire transfers and even a gift card as well. So for this video, let's go ahead and select on PayPal. But of course, you guys could use something like a debit card, etc. And now you want to enter how much you want to actually deposit. You could put in these preset amounts, or you could select on custom and put in a certain amount. And then you want to select on deposit right over here. And it's going to make you go ahead and log into PayPal if you're using PayPal. But if you are trying to deposit funds using bank, then you're going to need to select what bank you are using, whether it's Citibank, whether it's Bank of America, Wells Fargo, American Express, etc. You will need to go ahead and select on it. And then you're going to need to go ahead and log in. From there, that is going to allow you to deposit funds from that source over onto your FanDuel account. And once the money's over here in your FanDuel balance, that is when you're able to go ahead and begin placing bets and stuff like that. And in general, just have a ton of fun. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.